So this is the Windows settings. I go into time and language, and then I have language there as well, so I can look up add a preferred language. Now I already have Japanese in here, and you can see here it's written as Nihongo. Japanese pack is installed, but let's say I want to add a preferred language. I can go, maybe I've got Spanish. I can choose one of many Spanish languages. Let's go for Spain, and then I can go next, and it's going to give me install language pack. There's some other things as well, but the main thing is install language pack, and then install, and you can see that that's loading up at the bottom here. And then once that is done, if I go to my little icon here, you can see that I have English, Japanese, French, and Spanish keyboards. So when I want to use English, I just click English. When I want to use Japanese, I click Japanese. And then when I'm in a particular document, here it will give me the option to change between languages. So if I perhaps pull up a document, let's go for this. I'm going to type on here. So here you can see it's changed to A, or I can have it written in hiragana. So I can say uma, which is horse, and it gives me uma in hiragana. It also gives me a few other choices of kanji down here. There's going to be quite a lot that you're going to be given. That's the kanji for horse, uma, but we're just going to go with hiragana up here. Then you press return to set what you want. And then if you want to go back to English, you just click that, and then you can type in Roman letters again. And then to get out of it, you just click back to that one there.